Then going to your kick panel right here, we did put paint protection film on there. Then on the backs of the seats, I actually just ordered another product on Amazon. I'm gonna try it out, see if you guys like it, and then you can purchase it. Because if you have passengers here, especially if they're kids or toddlers, tendency is to kick this back seat, which is a pet peeve of mine, but it is what it is. So we'll have that protected as well. Going into this area, when you see like the footage of it, we ended up doing this in 2 pieces and protected in this area because this is where your seatbelt hits. And if you're moving things in and out, this could get hit too. So we probably will be taking this to car shows, and some of you guys, oh, that's too much protection, but I wanted to test it out for ourselves on our personal vehicle, because not only are we gonna take this on road trips, but we're gonna take this to car shows. If I can fit all my things, the table that are needed at a car show, then why not protect it on the inside? Because in our van, the Nissan Elgrand, that thing gets beat up on a regular basis when we take it to car shows, when we move some stuff, so the interior does get beat up. And similar to you guys, we're not made of money. We want to protect the vehicle as much as possible, and that's why we offer this type of protection and service to you guys as well.